Hey guys, welcome back to Answers with Anastasia, and today we're going to be going over the At Ease system kit. The At Ease sanitation system will be located in the filter compartment. To get to the filters, remove the filter top. The At Ease holder will be in between both filters and will lift straight out. If this is a fresh fill, go ahead and make sure your water is balanced using the At Ease test strips. And add the Jumpstart packet to your water by forecasting while the jets are on full blast. At the bottom of both cartridges is a dial. The mineral cartridge will be placed on forward, while the chlorine cartridge will be set to a number corresponding to your Bullfrog model. Now that both cartridges are set to the correct setting on the dial, insert them into the cartridge holder. The At Ease logo will face the holder. The bottom will slide in first, while the top will clip into place. When adding this system kit back into your spa, the mineral cartridge will face the back, while the chlorine cartridge will face the water. And you're done! If you'd like to see more videos like this, check out our Facebook page and give us a like, or subscribe to us on our YouTube channel, Bullfrog Spas of Tri-Cities. Thanks guys!